Hi, my name's Caden. I'm a technology specialist for Peterson Lexus, and I'm going to be showing you how to reset your account PIN. So here we go. If you get this popping up on your screen and you don't remember the PIN that you set up when you first got your car, there's a few simple steps to reset your PIN, and you don't have to do it from the screen. The easiest way to reset your PIN is by going onto your Lexus app. From here, you'll be able to access your account settings by tapping on the little person on the top right corner of your screen. From here, you'll see Account, select that, and go into Security Settings. From here, you're going to see a few options. The one you're going to want is Account PIN. Under it, you'll see Reset PIN. Select that, and hit Confirm. Now you can enter your new PIN. I'm going to do something very simple, but I recommend doing something easy for you to remember that isn't just simply 1 through 6. Because if you do that, it's going to get mad at you. But enter it again, and just like that, you're all set. Your PIN has been successfully reset. So from here, you'll be able to get back into your car and enter in your new PIN the next time that icon pops up.